Hi everybody, it's Claudette with Claudette's Cards. I'm back and I wanted to share with you, I have a new craft hobby I'm doing, polymer clay. I've just been obsessed with it, making jewelry and all kinds of stuff. But I did these doodle flowers on canvas that I wanted to share. They're all out of polymer clay. The background is painted. I also did a fairy door with a porch. And I'm probably gonna add a little fairy and then I'll share that with you guys too. But I'm linking down below my inspiration from Jenny Baker. She's the one who started with the idea of doodle flowers. And then also Serenity Crafts, and Sarah from Serenity Crafts. I watch a lot of her videos about polymer clay. And she's got some great tips. They both do. So I'll link those below. I just wanted you guys to check it out, and I'll be doing some tutorials soon once I know better what I'm doing. But you can check out their videos and get the instructions for how to do these. I just improvised a little bit. Basically did the same thing with highlighting them and painting them with mica powders and acrylic paints. So anyway, check it out. Talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.